Hey there. It's June right now, but I'm sharing footage from a January 2026 trip on the Upper Guadalupe River. And the reason that I'm sharing this footage today is because it's from a trip with my buddy Scott. And today happens to be Scott's birthday. So happy birthday, Scott. Scott and I go back to right before 2020 when his family joined an international nonprofit organization that I worked for. And we ended up living together in the country of Haiti for part of a year. We spent time together in Austin, Texas, while they were stateside off and on. And through that time, we'd just be climbing, backpacking, and a good bit of paddling. Scott and his family are now serving overseas with YWAM in Switzerland and Albania. You can actually follow them at The Henn Adventures. That's Henn with 2 N's. Check out the work they're doing over there. It's really cool. An outdoor discipleship program. Anyway, so Scott was getting ready to head back to Switzerland after a Christmas break in the States and called me up and said, I want to come visit Texas, but while I'm there, I want us to do an adventure. And he said, I really want to paddle again. Yeah, so most of this is Scott just kind of cruising through the low, easy stuff. The Upper Guadalupe was around 40 CFS in early January. And you can see a lot of damage there from the July 4th floods. It notoriously hit the Kerrville and Hunt area. Huge tragedy for our whole area. The river is starting to come back, as you can see here, but there's evidence all down the way that we traveled of those huge, devastating floods. Anyway, here's Scott navigating some easy little riffles and rapids. He killed it. I think the river was about 40 CFS in early January. So this is the first time I've incorporated aerial video for a personal project since I got my commercial license last year. Let me know if you like it.